All right, we're back in this piece again. You see the box on the ground. You already know what time it is. If you see a box on YouTube and it isn't unopened, you means that we are going to do children and unboxing. I've done a few of these. Haven't been here in a while. You see the size of this box. You see the name on it. 6 Element. Shout out to the gentleman over there making high quality GR Corolla parts. But I'm working with them again when it comes to a certain part. This is a GR Corolla exhaust from 6 Element dual outlet, and we're gonna unbox it. So let's do it. Now I'm not even gonna keep it extra. Got my little knife out. We're just gonna cut this. I'm trying to work quickly. I'm inside of a garage. I know I normally do this on my little desk and it's a little bit more presenty, so to speak. But truth of the matter is, this box is too big to be out there, and it's a little too heavy for all that. So we're just gonna do it good old gorilla style out here. Now, little 6 Element bag. Don't know what's in the bag. We're gonna find out what's in the bag. Let's open it up. This right here, this plate, this is for the center exhaust opening on the GR Corolla because we're doing a dual opening. So, because of that, and I always like the fact that 6 Element throws in these little diagrams of what you have. I don't know, don't hold me to it, but I have an idea of like framing some of these things to kind of show the mod you did on the car. Maybe not this one in particular, but just in general when I get it from this company. So this is a piece that's going to go in the center bumper to cover up the center exhaust tip that used to be there. Is going to be opening there. That's what this is right here. Somewhere in this other bag here, most likely is the bracket to hold that thing together onto the bumper. Voila. See, that's going to bolt up somewhere to the back. Little piece is going to bolt down here. That's going to cover up the holes. Next, another bag. You'll see what's in here. Okay. So anybody that's ever gotten an exhaust on a GR Corolla, you know the factory valve control. This isn't a valve controlled exhaust. So we're going to mount it up and away somewhere so it can just do its thing and not throw a check engine light or a code because it's not happy that's not plugged in. So that's what this is. Couple of 6 Element stickers. I need to throw one of these somewhere on the car, to be perfectly honest, because I have enough of these and enough parts for them. Another 6 Element when it comes to their card. You scan that QR code, it gives you the installation guide. I'm gonna record this anyways. I'm not gonna do everything because some of this stuff is self-explanatory and some of it isn't really that exciting. So just like the mid pipe I got from 2J, so nice high quality T304 stainless steel, nice heavy duty flange, nothing cheap, nothing flimsy. I'm not gonna lie, this is even higher quality than the pictures even tell you, because sometimes things you just can't tell what they look like online. Got to get it in your hand. Here we go. This is a piece to connect the piping. It's like a slip-on joint they have. Now, obviously, some people like V-bands and things like that. That comes at a different cost, different price point. I'm appreciative of this right here, so I'm cool with how this looks. And this goes somewhere in the angle of like one of these other pipes that goes on, slides in, bolts down, easy peasy. So here goes the resonator. As you can see in there, if you want to know what inside of a resonator looks like. All those little holes in there, that's what resonates the sound, takes exhaust pulses, changes them up. So resonator, high quality piece, nice solid flanges you're gonna put on there, nice welds, nice. If this isn't hard to get out, I'm gonna take it out. You see that? High quality muffler, stainless steel, clean. For now, it's gonna go under a car, so you know, soon enough it's not gonna look as good. But this is what it looks like. Now I wanna say something. There's a reason why I care about this muffler, because I want a certain sound. And you only get a certain sound by dealing with a muffler. I didn't want race, I didn't want, just straight pipe out the back. I wanted something that was high quality, welded as you can see. So, very nice. So if you know on GR Corollas, the rear diff is right next to where the exhaust is. So this heat shield is gonna help protect that from overheating, throwing out some of the code. So this is what this is. Heat shielded right past the rear differential. So exhaust tips. That is what's in this box right here. You see that? This is gonna be on the back of the car now. Nice little burn tip now. I will say this. My son is one of the reasons why I did this, because he always asks about getting an exhaust that has this type of burnt tip on it. And I could have got something else, could have got just straight stainless or carbon fiber tip. Purposely did this for him in mind. So, voila, take a look. Tomorrow is when we're gonna put this on. We're gonna do sound tests. We're gonna do install. We're gonna have a good time. There you go.